Hey everybody, Jason Ricci here, and welcome back to Free Friday. This week we're going to be talking about octave splits and taking your tongue on and off to get a little bit more of that Zydeco sound, right? And it doesn't just have to be on Zydeco. Check out my song linked below called the Leo Watkins Rag, dedicated to my friend Leonard Watkins. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to be coming up from 3-draw to a 1-4 tongue block split. Now, I'm not sure I've done a video just dedicated to this kind of technique, but boy, it's a big part of my playing and it sure is fun. So I can lip purse 3-draw and kind of slide up underneath it in a bend, and then go to the 1-4 split, placing my tongue on holes 2 and 3, and a little lazy. So I'm having that full chord come in. So 3-draw bend, 3-draw, then all of holes 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then place the tongue on. So I'm doing a little exaggerated late. In real time, it would sound like. So that tongue's coming on and off. Now, the other way to do it, and I think it's a little easier, is to go ahead and tongue block the 3 bend and 3-draw. That way your tongue's already in position, you don't have to switch. Right? Now I can use this all the way up, so I can scoop into this 1-4 split from 3, and then go up to a 2-5 split. And right up to, oh, by the way, I'm on a D harmonica in the key of A. Now, we hear this all the time in regular blues, just like on a shuffle. This laid back tongue slap. We hear it all the time there. But what we're focusing on today is more of that accordion squeezebox. Which requires more of like a French-Canadian kind of really relaxed, not so percussive, just more on and off. I can be very percussive with it. But really, on this lesson, I'm just kind of just like that, right? And it can be really, really, really fun once you get the hang of it. Right? So one of the ways I can kind of get into it is if I just remember, check back to my Zydeco lesson I have linked below, my little Cajun lesson, is just kind of focus on the major pentatonic scale. Linked below. All of these videos that I make have videos that are, if I talk about something that you don't understand, there's a video below linked for you to go check it out. All right, so one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on holes, 1, 2, and 3 for the 1 chord, and even in 4, and of course the 3/6 split, which is just the root of 1, or in this case A. So I'm going to use these 3 notes, right, and then the octave. So I'm going to use that on the 1 chord. So if I'm trying to play a blues, that's what I'm going to do. And if I use 5 below, it's just kind of as a passing tone. And now when I get to the 4, I'm going to really harp on that 5 below. No pun intended. Right? And that gives me the major third of 4, which is a fancy way of saying a note that sounds really cool and very French. And now, when I get to the 5, I can go back to using that 1 and 4 split, or I like to go up top. I heard Joe Falisco doing this wonderful thing. Except much better than me, right? But up there like that. So I might put together a whole blues to sound something like this. Nah, I got a little spit stuck in there. Let's do it again, except much slower. Get anything out of this lesson, how about just this? Even without the bend? Stay tuned for the credits. Thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. Over 1,000 harmonica-related videos. Everything from gear to lessons to blues stories to stuff about my personal life, addiction, mental health, jail, anything you can imagine that has anything to do with playing harmonica or harmonica in general, right here on Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. 20 years of YouTube right here. I'd like to thank some of the people that make it possible. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, bringing you the very best in harmonica microphones, pedals, anything you can imagine that has to do with the harmonica besides the harmonica itself. Lone Wolf is doing it, family-owned company, right up the road from me in Ponchatoula, Louisiana. Randy Landry and his beautiful wife, Missy, family-owned company, doing the very best they can to bring you quality, guaranteed products that are all assembled right here in the United States of America. Blue Moon Harmonicas, you can get your name on the harp just like me. Custom combs, pre-war harmonicas, harmonicas from the Sonny Terry estate, all makes and models, just about anything you can imagine. Tom Halchak from Blue Moon can do it for you. And I play Hohner harmonicas, and Hohner hooks me up with some great harps that I love. They're like sports cars. I dig them. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Two brothers out of Topeka. They found me. I was already playing their stuff, and they called me up and said, Jay, we want to support you. They made me a brand new pedal board this year. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's held up to the rigors of the road. I've seen some fancy pedal boards from some other companies. They're amazing, but they don't match the quality and the durability of pedal pad made by two brothers out of Topeka. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget, Harp gear, amplifiers. Even though you see me on a Twin or a Fender Bassman at home in New Orleans, when I just need to bring something up real quick, I'm grabbing Carmelita. That's my HG410 from Harp Gear Amplifiers. Brian Purdy out of Ocala, Florida. Thank you to Patreon. Patreon is the one who's keeping these videos free for you. If you've seen one of my thousands of free harmonica lessons, it is because people are contributing to Patreon. I'm not gonna lie, I'm motivated by a little money, right? The videos are free here for you because Patreon is supporting me. It's giving me $1, $5, whatever it is that you can contribute a month on Patreon. That's what's happening. They get a little extra. They get some private Zoom meetings, some private lessons, some behind the scenes vlog stuff. All of that's over on Patreon. All of the links to all of this stuff is right below every single video. Thank you again to all of my sponsors, and thank you, Patreon, for your support. If you don't want to be a member of Patreon, I understand that. You can leave a one-time tip at Venmo or PayPal. Those links are right below this video and every other video, and on my channel page right here on YouTube. All the success I've had, whether you're a Patreon patron or you're supporting my sponsors or not, is because of you, the viewers on YouTube. Whether you subscribing, leaving a comment, liking the video, or sharing, you are helping me in some part. You don't have to do all of it or any of it, but maybe you could do a little of it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.